Welcome to this Photoshop tutorial for iMedia students. In this video we're going to look at how we can resize the canvas in Photoshop so that we can expand or modify the space available for us for editing images. So I'm going to start with a picture that I found on Openverse, which is a search engine to try and find Creative Commons images. I'll copy this, and when you copy an image and press Ctrl N to make a new image, the size of the canvas is automatically the same size as the image that you have copied. So it's always worth copying before you try to create your canvas. And then when we paste with Ctrl V, you'll notice this particular image that I've used already has a border around the edge that you can see on here. If you want to get rid of that, the easiest way is using the crop tool. So you can drag from the corners, or you can use the crop tool just to drag the area of the image that you want to keep, and then press enter. If you want to add a border around the edge for some more space, then we need to go to image and canvas size, and then on here you've got the size in centimeters or the size in pixels. If I want to add a 1 centimeter border around all the way around the edge, I'll change it to centimeters, make it relative, so this is how much we're going to add or take away. And if I want one border at the top of 1 centimeter and another centimeter at the bottom, that's a total of 2 centimeters, and you can choose where it's going to get added. So this would have 2 centimeters on the right and 2 at the bottom. This is going to have 1 centimeter all the way around the edge.